Growing lettuce at home is both rewarding and easier than you might think. Lettuce, with its delicate leafy greens, is a staple in gardens big and small, fitting seamlessly into containers, raised beds, or even windowsill trays. However, getting those luscious, crisp leaves requires a bit of knowledge and attention. With the right tips and tricks, you'll be harvesting fresh salads in no time. In this guide, we'll uncover the most important advice every gardener needs to grow healthy, abundant lettuce. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned green thumb, eager to sharpen your skills. The journey starts with choosing the best variety for your climate and taste preferences. Leaf lettuce, romaine, butterhead, and crisphead are among the most popular types, each offering unique flavors and textures. Leaf lettuces are usually the easiest to grow, maturing quickly and allowing repeated harvests. If you love crunchy salads, romaine might be your go-to, while butterhead offers a soft, tender bite. Before planting, consider the weather patterns in your region. Lettuce thrives in cool weather, struggling in intense heat, so timing your plantings can make all the difference. Start your lettuce from seeds for the best results. Sow seeds directly into well-prepared soil or in seed trays indoors. Lettuce seeds require light to germinate, so plant them just beneath the surface or simply press them gently into the moist soil. Consistent moisture is key during germination and early growth, but take care not to flood the soil, which can cause seeds to rot instead of sprouting. The choice of soil is another critical factor. Lettuce prefers loose, fertile, well-draining soil with plenty of organic matter. Amending your garden bed with compost or aged manure ensures a nutrient-rich environment. Before sowing, break up any clumps and rake the surface smooth to promote even growth. The ideal soil pH for lettuce falls between 6.0 and 7.0. Testing your soil in advance can help you make subtle adjustments that will boost your harvest. Spacing is important too. Crowding your seedlings leads to competition for light, water, and nutrients, resulting in smaller, less healthy plants. Thin your lettuce so each plant has room to spread its leaves and develop strong roots, about 6 to 12 inches apart, depending on the variety. For continuous harvests, stagger your plantings every 2 weeks during the cool season so you'll enjoy a steady supply instead of a single glut. Water is a crucial ingredient in successful lettuce growing. Lettuce is mostly water, making consistent, shallow watering essential to keep the leaves tender and sweet. During dry periods, use mulch to retain moisture, suppress weeds, and maintain an even soil temperature. Overwatering can be just as problematic as underwatering, so aim for moist but not soggy soil. The best time to water is in the early morning, allowing leaves to dry quickly and reducing the risk of diseases. Temperature and sunlight can make or break your lettuce crop. Lettuce grows best when daytime temperatures range between 60 and 70 degrees Fahrenheit. Too much heat causes the plant to bolt, that is, to send up flower stalks and set seed, resulting in bitter-tasting leaves. If you live in a warm climate, plant your lettuce in a partially shaded spot or use shade cloth to protect it from harsh afternoon sun. In early spring or fall, when temperatures are cooler, full sun encourages vigorous growth. Dealing with pests and diseases is another part of the lettuce growing equation. Aphids, slugs, snails, and cutworms are common foes. Inspect your lettuce regularly, checking the undersides of leaves and along the soil surface. Organic controls like floating row covers, diatomaceous earth, or hand picking can help keep pests at bay. Crop rotation and good sanitation practices, such as removing old or diseased leaves, will also minimize disease problems like downy mildew or lettuce mosaic virus. Harvesting at the right time ensures the best flavor and texture. For leaf varieties, you can start picking the outer leaves when they're a few inches tall, allowing the center to keep growing for successive harvests. For head types, wait until the heads are firm and full-sized, cutting them off at the base with a sharp knife. Harvest in the morning when leaves are crispest, and if possible, use your lettuce right away in salads or sandwiches. Washed and spun dry, lettuce keeps in the refrigerator for several days. To extend your lettuce season, succession planting is key. Every few weeks, sow another batch of seeds. This way, as one round of plants matures, you'll have a new crop ready to go. In regions with hot summers, consider growing heat-tolerant varieties or switching to fall and winter production. Some gardeners even use cold frames or hoop houses to harvest lettuce through the winter. Companion planting can help your lettuce thrive by deterring pests and enhancing growth. Planting lettuce alongside carrots, radishes, or marigolds can create a harmonious mini ecosystem in your garden bed. Avoid placing lettuce near crops that compete for nutrients, like cabbage or broccoli, to prevent stunted growth. One final tip: don't be afraid to experiment. Lettuce is quick to grow and forgiving of mistakes. Try different varieties, sow at different times, play with diverse garden layouts, and see what works best in your unique garden. Even a small success yields a rewarding bounty of fresh, vibrant greens, and there's nothing quite like plucking your own lettuce for the table. By following these vital tips, picking the right variety, minding the season, maintaining soil health, spacing correctly, and fighting pests naturally, anyone can grow lettuce successfully. Whether you've got a sprawling garden or just a few pots on a balcony, with a little patience and care, you'll enjoy crisp, homegrown leaves long before you know it. Start small, keep learning, and enjoy the journey from seed to salad bowl.